Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to analyze Reliance Industries. So here I'm on this website tradingview.com and this is the daily chart of Reliance. Okay. So now as on today, the current market price of Reliance is 2005. Okay. The last time when I had posted a video, it had formed a inverse head and shoulder pattern. Okay, and I was expecting a close above 1620 to give a confirmation based on which there was a target which I was expecting was 2340, right? So now here if you see, if I draw this line from here as a head and shoulder, so this is your left shoulder, and since this is a inverse head and shoulder, so it will always be a bullish. The normal head and shoulder is always a bearish. But again, we need to see that the prices should be closing below or above the neckline. So now in this case, since it was an inverse head and shoulder, so for me, this is a neckline, which is a horizontal line. So the moment it gives you a close above this level, because there was like first time, second time, third time, fourth time, and then fifth time there was a breakout, right? So you are supposed to plot a target where you can go long. At this time, this was the level which was expecting, because there was this high of 1618. So I was expecting let it give a close above 1620 to initiate a trade. If you see, if I apply a volume, so if you see, uh, there was this uh, there was this huge volume at the breakout level, right? This was the breakout level, right? Now, um, let me get rid of this. Now we are supposed to plot a target. So if I take a width of this from head to the neckline, this is your target, right? This is your target, and I'll do something. I'll plot it over here, which is like this, somewhere like this. um, you need to be a bit exact at this level. And then if you see here 2375, let me see, it should not be that case, or maybe I'm taking a bit extra, or let me draw a horizontal line over here. Yes, this is my head, and yes, this is, and then if I put it over here somewhere around, right? So I need to take this, yeah, right. So 2350, yeah. So if you see, the moment it gives you your target, and then there was a fall, and again it was a bit of correction, which is also called as A B C kind of pattern. Now at this point today, when it is at 2005, there is a small symmetrical triangle pattern. There is a small symmetrical triangle pattern. So if you see, if I draw a trend line over here as of now, okay, if I draw a trend line over here, the first target which I'm expecting, only and only if it is giving me a close above 2340 actually. So let me first draw this, and this is what I'm expecting from Reliance is above here, right? This was the okay. Now let me again draw a horizontal line over here. Yeah, this one. If I activate my boring candle, so if you see, if you have seen my demand and supply video, the one which I follow, if you see, there is this green, blue, red, red. So ideally I call it as rally, base, drop, drop. Okay. So for me, this is the level to go short on Reliance, right? Again, only if it is giving me a close above this level, and ideally I'm expecting that this should give you a close above this. Again, there's a reason. If I draw a Fibonacci over here from here to here, then I'm getting a kind of, 78.6, which is a kind of a retracement from here, and then now the prices are going up. If I draw a small bullish Gartley pattern, if I draw a very small bullish Gartley pattern, so this is the pattern, right? Let me get rid of this Fibo, yeah. And as per that, And as per that, I think that minimum minimum which I'm getting is 2,300 on Reliance, and the very first is 2219. So again, still to be on the safe side, I still believe that we should go somewhere around 2270. That is like the ideal target for me. Again, there was one. This is the first target which I'm expecting, which is 21, somewhere around here, 217. You can take this, right? And this is what I'm expecting from Reliance. As of now, it is still looking bullish. Okay. Uh, the entire rally of Nifty, Reliance has contributed a very good amount, and now it went on to a consolidation mode, and now Reliance is again going up. So the moment it gives you a breakout above here, we can still see a very good rally in Nifty, right? If I try to, let me get rid of all this now, and if I try to draw a horizontal line over here, it is still again a very good support. So unless and until Reliance is not closing below this level, I'm not going to short Reliance. It is still for me a buy on dips. Okay, one. In case, worst case, I'm telling you, in case if there is a fall, in case if there is a fall, we can expect Reliance to touch again this level, which will be called as a retracement. And again, you can initiate a long in Reliance, and that would be from portfolio perspective. Okay. Let us also see whether we have any demand supply, because it's been a very long time. Okay, there was this. Okay, let me get rid of this. And if you see, there's this rally, base rally. This was the level, and there was first time it came somewhere around here, and then it gave a bounce. But again, let's see on a monthly chart whether we have anything. Right. So, in case if we are getting this level, in case if we are getting this level, which is somewhere around 1610, that was the breakout level first, and again at the same level, we have got a very good demand zone, right? So that would be the initial pick. You can go long in Reliance the moment it comes around 1600 level, right? And that would be your, for a kind of portfolio, you can, and you can expect a new high again on Reliance. Okay, on a monthly time frame it is again a bullish, but then if you are getting a kind of retracement, you can go long. But as of now, on a daily chart, it is still following this line. I'm expecting Reliance to touch somewhere around this level, which is 2260, right? So that was my analysis. And again, the reason I've given that target, which was 2340, was only because of head and shoulder. And if you saw that the moment it gave you a target, it almost did a correction from 2300 to almost 1800 levels. So this was the analysis on Reliance. So do let me know if you have any doubts on this chart, and if you are having any other query on any other stocks as well, I would be happy to help you all. Thank you so much for watching this video.